This is the video after the third fix attempt where they installed camber adjustment bolts. I'm on the same road that I took the last video, approximately the same location. I'm in the right-hand lane. I have the cruise set on 70, holding the steering wheel, same as before, and I'm going to let go. 1, 2, 3. My hand's off the wheel. The car's tracking pretty straight, slightly going to the left now. Not nearly as bad as before, but still goes to the left. Gets a little harder as I go across the crown. Now I'm in the left-hand lane. Cruise control still on 70. Holding the wheel. Now I'm going to let go of the wheel on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see it goes pretty quick off the road again. You know, which is a little disappointing. On back roads, side streets, it doesn't pull nearly this badly. Go back in the right-hand lane. Again, if I steady the wheel as straight as I can, you can see before in the last video the wheel wanted to go left about 5 degrees. Now it doesn't really do that, but the car still wants to wander left. So, you know, it's still not satisfactory as far as I'm concerned. Get back in the right-hand lane, holding the wheel. The wheel does not really give that little left-hand 5-degree turn like it did before. I'm gonna let go right now. Just let go. It didn't really move, but this car still wants to go left. So, just wanted to post this as a follow-up to my last video.